Materials include a brown hackle, squirrel tail, and some peacock herl. Alright, we're going to start with the tail. Now we take part of our hackle here and tie in our tail. Real simple. I'll take that same hackle, tie in the tip, and I'll take 3 peacock herls, tie them in, and I take the peacock herl and twist them. And I just wrap this forward, try to taper the body, make it look cigar shaped. Real easy. Bring your hackle, palmer it forward. Now we have to tie in the wing. That's where the squirrel comes in. We want the white tips in there. So we're going to tie this in good. Now one more step. Take some more peacock herl, make some wraps over the head, tie it off. Now I put a glue on all the flies, but to save time we'll just whip finish the picket pin. Great fly.